How do you solve a question like this that has several operators? So as you can see in this question that we have the addition, we have the division, we also do have our brackets, we also have this index, and we have multiplication. So how do you figure out which operation you're supposed to do first? We use what we call the BODMAS. So this is an abbreviation of our brackets, order or index, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So this gives us the order of our operations. So this means we're starting from here going down. So from this question we can see that we have brackets, so that means that we are supposed to solve whatever that we have inside our brackets. So we have 18 divided by 6, and that is 3, and then we just bring down the rest of our numbers down. So the power 2 times 2, then right, so this is what we have so far. And then since it's just one number now inside the brackets, we can just delete these brackets and leave them out. So the second thing that we have now, we have the order, right? So we can simplify this expression here. So 3 to the power of 2, that's 9. Then we bring everything down, multiply by 2. So here we have multiplication. We don't have division, so we'll leave it out for now. So just say 3 plus 9 multiplied by 2, that's 18. So now we're just left with addition. So it's just gonna be 3 plus 18, which is equals to 21, right? So this is the answer. So you just use this BODMAS to figure out which expression or which operation to do first or simplify first as you go ahead. And also another thing that you have to note is that for division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, you are working from the left going to the right. So what this means is that, let's say you have a question like this: 3 plus 3 minus 4, let's say plus 3. It means that you just do your additions going this side instead of finishing starting off with all the additions and doing it that way. So it means that you just work from your left going to the right. Let's take a look at the second example that we have here. So as you can see in this question, we have brackets. So we're going to start with brackets according to BODMAS. So let's simplify what is inside brackets. So 2 plus 3, we get 5 to the power of 2. Let's just take down the question that the way it was. Okay, so after the brackets, the next thing that you have to look out for is order or index. And in this question you can see that we do have an index. So this is our index that we have here. So 5 to the power of 2, that's 25. Minus 3, and then 2 multiplied by 1 plus 25. So like I explained before, we are working from the left going to the right. And you also have to know that multiplication and division, they have the same priority, just as the same as addition and subtraction. These two, they have the same priority, and then these two, they have the same priority. So as you can see from our question here, we do have multiplication, right? Since we're working from the left to right, so we can go ahead and deal with the multiplication. So 2 multiplied by 1, that's 2, right? And then plus 25 divided by 5 minus 3. And then since we no longer have multiplication, the next thing that we have to deal with here is the division. So here we'll get our 5, and then 2 plus 5 minus 3. So 2 plus 5, we do have a 7 minus 3, which equal to 4, right? So it's just very important to know that we are working from the left to the right. So it will not be correct for me to start working from here, like the division going backwards, since I told you that multiplication and division have the same priority. So in this example it might work, but there are cases whereby if you work from the right going to the left, you get the wrong answer. So yeah, thank you so much.